Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest ideas of short low maintenance hairstyle. And many much more beautiful and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle. With beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more stylish and trendy ideas of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. Different ideas of hairstyling in low maintenance. Mostly ideas in low maintenance hairstyle, in messy hairstyles, and spiky hairstyle with beautiful ideas of undercut and shaved cut ideas, some ideas in lines, some ideas in scroll or shaved and undercut designs. But in today's my collection, some ideas fine hairstyle. And some collection too short wave and curl on hair, wavy hairstyle. And beautiful collection of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas in funky colors. And so attractive ideas of funky colors. And different collection of highlights. Haircut, Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, bridge haircut, and different type of cuts, some ideas layered. Some ideas step, and so beautiful overall collection. Overall ideas in low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope it looks so nice. Very stylish and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help. So I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. If you knew or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I'll become with new trends according to your ideas. So you must share with me, I'll wait. Once again, if you are not subscribed my channel, please make sure you do subscribe my channel and like my video. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dive back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.